Okay, good morning, discipline and faith. So we will continue our topic about difference of rational algebraic expression. Okay, so we will start with our objectives. Our objectives is at the end of the lesson, the students should be able to find the difference of rational algebraic expression with different denominators. Okay, so this is the idea. Okay, if two rational algebraic expressions have different denominators, then the difference is, so A over B minus C over D is equals to BD, which is the LCD, tapos AD minus BC all over BD. So that is the main idea of this topic. Okay, so when two expressions have different denominators, it is necessary to change them into equivalent expressions with a common denominator. Okay, so that is yung pagkuha natin ng LCD ng denominators before finding the difference. Okay, so sa skill na to, dapat sanay tayo sa pagkuha ng LCD. Let us take example